Most common English questions. Can you help me? Do you know me? Why are you laughing? Are you worried? What do you do? How old is your father? What are you doing here? Do you need help? Do you like to read books? Are you coming with him? Can you hear me? Why are you crying? What are you looking for? What's your full name? Can I do it? Are you at home now? May I come in? What do you think? Do you speak English well? Can I sit here? When do you wake up? Do you know where he is? Do you know how to cook? Do you like to read books? Are you sure? Can I help you? Do you know her? Why are you smiling? How old are you? Are you on Facebook? Can you give me some money? Do you use Facebook? Do you use WhatsApp? When did you come? What do you want to eat? Can you do it? Are you ready to go? Who made it? Why are you running? Is it for me? Can anyone tell me? Is it hot? Did you see anybody? How are you? What's your name? Where do you live? Why did you go out? What did he say? Do you want to go by train? Do you want to come with me? Do you have any question? Do you have any sibling? Have you taken medicine? What's your favorite color? What's your hobby? What's your favorite food? Could you lend me 100 rupees? Do you have any children? Are you sick? Are you hungry? Do you like me? Are you tired? What are you doing now? How is your father? Are you rich? Do you have a credit card? Can you dance? How is your family? Is everything alright? Have you finished your work? What's the matter? What's your intention? What happened here? Are you married? What is your school's name? Do you know her? Why are you sad? Do you need anything else? What is your father's name? Are you angry with me? Are you there? What's the date today? When did you cook it? Are you single? When did you come? When do I have to go? Who are you? Did you receive my email? Do you know how to drive? Who is laughing? Do you want to go? What's the problem? What are you cooking? How do you know me? What's your next plan? What can I say? What do you do in your free time? What do you want to know? What should I do now? Who is speaking? Can you sing a song? Can I try it?